Hey guys, I'm doing a little job from home today. We had this Optiplex that has a clicking hard drive. This is one of ours, and so I'm going to walk through how to switch this over from a HDD to an SSD, as mentioned in previous videos, and show you how to do that. So in this particular case, we're already fortunate enough to have the AOMEI Partition Assistant software. We purchased the license a few months back. It was like $400 or $500. But it's a license that allows us to basically do whatever we want with the software. So I have that already installed. And then if you go over here, we're using a dock right now. And I'm going to basically clone the internal HDD to this SSD via the dock. This is a super straightforward process. All you do is hit clone, and you're going to hit clone disk. And you can do the quick clone or clone disk quickly. Next. And then that's your source disk. You say next, and then your destination disk is going to be the SSD in the dock, and optimize. Next. Taking a minute to read it. All right, then we have that, and then we're going to say fit partitions to entire disk. Say next, next, and up here you're going to see apply. Hit apply on there. And here in a second it'll take off. It's just super slow. It says pending operations, and we're going to hit OK to proceed. And then away it goes, and we're going to hit shut down, so that way it shuts down. We can just swap out the drives whenever it's done. Alright guys, we got the SSD in there, so now we're going to see if it boots up. And just like that, we already have a login screen. Successful migration from an HDD to a SSD.